Hello, good morning, guys. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Putri Ferluciana, and today I'm going to do a presentation. The topic of my presentation is about plus and minus the use of social media for millennials. So let's get the ball rolling. What is social media? Social media are interactive technologies that facilitate the creation of sharing of information, ideas, interests, and other forms of expression through virtual. What is millennials? Millennials are the younger generation who were born between 1981 and 1966. The millennial generation is also known as Generation Y because it comes after Generation X. Who are millennials? Millennials are generally considered to be born between 1981 and 1996. So we can say millennial is aged between 25 until 37 years old. This generation is the biggest working age group today. They are also constantly active on online platforms, but however, millennials also do complain social media is too addictive and killing their valuable time. Why millennials? Because millennials have been described as the first global generation and the first generation that grow up in the internet age. Millennials were born where the modern world and advanced technology were introduced to the public. So millennials are coming of age at a time when the entertainment industry is starting to be influenced by the internet and mobile devices. The positive impact of using social media is easy access to information because the internet allows us to access information anytime and from anywhere. Also, keeping in touch with people, social media is also an easy way to torture accessing relationship with family and friends who have moved away to stay in touch. Also, learning and education, there is no limit to our knowledge with all the internet course and content and complimentary webinars people offer today. Also, building a business. Social media is also an excellent place for more established business to grow and sell through marketing and advertising. And the last is into for spreading news. News from about any part of the world can spread like wildfire on social media. It can also keep us in tune with important events. And the next is the negative impact of using social media. Using social media can cause an anxiety and depression. People spending too much time on social media are more likely to experience mood swings, loneliness, and symptoms of anxiety and depression. It also can cause cyberbullying because social media has made it possible to communicate effortlessly and make friends for all over the world. And cyberbullying has taken its toll with the availability of the internet and multiple numbers of social media. Cyberbullying can take your mental emotion and social health to downside level. Also, social media can also be an addiction. Social media is undoubtedly addictive with all the latest trends, posts, stories, gossip, friends' whereabouts, but too much consumption and usage of social media can lead to social media addiction. Social media also can make you have an irregular sleep patterns because using social media before sleeping can affect your sleep patterns. Even when you're asleep and wake up in the middle of the night, you want to check your social media accounts to see any updates. This can interrupt your sleep time, making you feel unfreshed and drained the next day. Social media also can cause a self-esteem because social media is changing the idea how beauty is seen. The constant of disclosure of unrealistic beauty standards can generate feelings of overwhelm in people's minds. And today we have several social media, and some of them have a strong appeal to millennials. And here's the top 5 social media to reach millennials. Data from Oberlo shows that nearly 90.4% of the millennials are active on Facebook. This number clearly indicates that Facebook is the most influential digital platform among millennials. According to Google, 44% of millennials check YouTube daily. Unlike other social media, YouTube is a different charm. Millennials don't like to spend all their time reading posts or scrolling down image. Instead, they will prefer watching videos. So why I use bar graphic for this presentation? Because bar graphs generally have categories on the x-axis and numbers on the y-axis. You can compare the numbers between different categories, and also charts and graphs can help you judge information and make sense of what you read. So in conclusion, on average, millennials spend nearly 2.5 hours daily on social media. Without any doubt, millennials are the biggest consumers from social media. That's all for today's presentation, and thank you so much.